Happy Thanksgiving from Geo's Rubbin' Stuff. We got two spatchcocked turkeys here where you cut the backbone out and separate them. They do smoke a little easier this way. You can cut down the cooking time a bit. But I did brine them. They are brined overnight. Sorry, I forgot to take a video of that. The brine does consist of 1 cup kosher salt to 1 cup of rub. So per gallon of water. So if you do 2 or 3 gallons, you'll need to, do the math on that. 2 to 3 cups of salt, 2 to 3 cups of rub. And I like to use lots of fresh herbs, fresh garlic, and I also chop up an onion as well and throw it in the brine. So let it brine overnight. I just took them out this morning, rinsed them off. I'm just gonna let them dry for a while. Here we have them, all rubbed down. Started with a little olive oil. As you can see there, extra virgin as always. A little Geo's rub. I also separated the breast from the skin, so you want to kind of get your hand up underneath the breast and separate the skin from that. I've put rub and olive oil inside of there, as well as some fresh herbs like sage, oregano, what else? Thyme. So yeah, throw those in there, and then you give it a nice good coating. So these birds are all ready. Alright guys, here they are on the smoker. These spatchcock styles should run around 4 to 5 hours or so smoke time. I will be using apple and pecan today. Check back in for progress. Alright, here we are. It's been about 45 minutes or so since we started it. I'm just going to go ahead and baste real quick here with a little bit of olive oil. You can use peanut oil, it works well too. But since I used olive oil in the beginning this time, I'm going to go ahead and baste with olive oil. This is what's going to help get the bird nice golden brown throughout the smoking process. Alright, just flopped them around there real quick. Get the other bird closer to the heat for a little while. I will be basting one more time with olive oil again. And we'll check back in a little while. Alright guys, here we are a few hours later. Starting to come along pretty good now. I basted a few times every, 45 minutes to every hour or so with olive oil. You can see we're getting close to temp. We got both of them right around the same here, 139 at the thigh. So we'll check back here in a little while and show you some more progress here. We should be wrapping this up pretty quick. Alright, here they are, all finished. Look at those puppies. Now we'll pull them off and let them rest for a good 20 minutes.